Okay guys, before I start off with this video, I want to make one thing clear. Nobody or not even a single person has asked me to make this video. But the reason I'm making this is because I'm kind of irritated because every time I go live, everyone wants to know my income, my source of income, and can I make money from YouTube? Can I make money from what I'm doing and blah blah blah. So that's why I'm making this video. Hopefully, you guys can get an honest review of all the possibilities, right? So let me go all the way back to 2013. So I started my YouTube channel called Teen Bodybuilding India. I don't know why I named that, but I thought Teen Bodybuilder India, right? So Teen Bodybuilding India. So I was one of the first Indian fitness YouTubers. Of course, whatever knowledge I gained from all the bodybuilders, that's what I shared on my YouTube channel. 60% of them were right, 40% were not updated. None of them were harmful. I've never given harmful advice on my YouTube channel. I can proudly say that. I've never lied on my YouTube channel. I can again proudly say that. So anyway, I started my YouTube channel. Then I jumped into engineering. I finished first year with flying colors. Second year, I was preparing for my competition in 2014. I wrote my exams. Oh my god. I'll never forget that, guys. I literally failed in 7 subjects, I guess. And in Karnataka, what it means is year out. So basically, you have to spend the next 1 year studying and trying to pass all those exams without going to college. So basically, you are under house arrest, right? So that is when I decided, let me start off with something. So I used to train people through Facebook and Skype for free, okay? Because I thought, this will at least help me, get some experience and also some testimonials, right? So I started training 4 5 people for free, just from Bangalore and a couple of other cities, because they watched my YouTube channel. And that time I had like 3,000 subscribers or 4,000, I guess, something like that. So they kept watching my videos and they liked it and they approached me for training. I did it for free. I was like, I know I can't charge, so I trained for free. What happened is, after that, after my transformation video, people were impressed, I guess, and they were like, dude, you know what, I'll pay you. I need online training from you. That is when I was like, oh my god, online training, actually that's what I was doing, right? So then I went and did some research. There were a lot of people. Online training was already a big thing in the other countries like United States. So I did some research, checked out the things that online trainers do and how they approach their work. And that day I decided, this 1 year that I am going to spend at my home because I failed. I'm going to spend it on doing a lot of research. Okay, so I did a lot of research on other people, and I thought, this can be a big thing for India. I'll tell you why. Now, one thing, this is in 2018. 60 to 70% of my client base is not even based in India. Okay, they are Indians, but they are in United States, they are in the Middle East, they are in UK, they are in Australia, they are in even Germany. So these are the places from where I get my clients, most of my clients. And the reason is, they cannot, most of Indians can't eat steak every day and all that, right? So that's why they approach people like me. So what happened is, my first 4 clients were not from India. They were from, one was from UK, one was from Dubai, one was from Kuwait, I guess. So these are my first 4 clients, and they were like, "We'll pay you." So I'll tell you how much I used to charge. I used to charge 1,500 for 3 months. Okay, that's like 500 rupees per month. So I started, and the good thing was I got some testimonials. Okay, so I'll display them on the screen. From the day one till now, I have helped people transform their bodies, and I'm proud that I just didn't help them lose weight or build muscle. I also helped them learn more. If you are my client, you might be aware that I have helped you little. I always try to help my clients or give them more information, and this is a dialogue that I tell when I talk to them. I hope by the end of my training, you do not want my training ever again, and you should be able to help other people achieve their fitness goal, or at least clear their doubts. So that is my goal. So I do online training through shreyskamath.com. That is my main source of income. So I hope I've cleared that out. Now, if you ask me how much do I make, you do not have to worry, guys. I make good amount of money that can help me feed my dog. I can help me feed my cat and help me feed myself with some chicken breast and rice. Do not worry, I'm fine. So that is my primary source of income. In 2015, my business went up so well that I decided, I of course, from 2014 to 2015, had a very good leap. I was like doing crazy that I couldn't handle. Then there was a sudden dip. That time I thought, but then again there was a very nice peak. So that time I realized any kind of business, there will be a big rise and a big dip. So you just have to be mentally strong. So then I made a strong decision of quitting engineering. But I have that kind of ego that didn't let me quit without passing my subjects. So I passed my subjects. I still had three backlogs, but that didn't mean I couldn't go to college. So I just wanted a status that I cleared my, those three subjects or four subjects that I had to pass to get into college. So I'm very stubborn in that way. So I finished that. I quit my engineering. It was pretty easy in my house because they could see my progress. So they were like, तुमसे ना हो पाएगा बेटा. So that's what you can't do it. But then they were, like they were very supportive towards what I wanted to achieve. So I believe that one decision, me taking that decision, really helped me a lot in where I am today. Because if I was still continuing engineering, I wouldn't think I would have been able to set up that business or lay that foundation in such a way that it's unbreakable. I believe my foundation is unbreakable now. And that's how I started. Then I decided one day that I want to start an apparel brand. Even though my following is not that great, I thought I wanted to start an apparel brand that stands for something. I always believe in life, you can rule the world, at the same time you can inspire people as well. So that's why I named the brand as Inspire. And if you google the meaning of Inspire and Rain, you'll find something about it. So www.inspirerain.com is my apparel brand. We also sell gym gear. We were supposed to be launching in 2016, but it didn't work out. So we launched in 2017, end of 2017. So far it's going smooth. And also people ask me, do you have a team? No, I do not have a team. Everything is done by myself. Instagram, I'm talking about online coaching and Inspire, I do everything. We only have one employee who sends off all the packed stuff to the courier office. So these are my two main sources of income. Okay, Inspire, I wouldn't call it my source of income because it is just a brand that's very close to me. All the money goes into a different account, but we'll be coming out with more stuff. So check out inspirerain.com. So coming back to online coaching and my business, right? Online coaching business, everything is done by myself. Online coaching is such a scam, guys. I'm not even joking, because 80% of the online trainers, they do not have the time. Let's say if an online trainer is studying or he has a different job, 99% of the time he will not be the one who is responding to you. So you need to be very careful. And in my case, I can proudly say every email, every message, I reply to my client. And even on the phone, I talk to my clients. No, I do not have a manager to do all those things for me, and I will never have, because this is my full-time job. I do not have to worry of going here to work or going there to study. I sit at my home, work. That's all it is, right? Now the big question: what about your YouTube channel, dude? How much money? How much of that YouTube money do you make? The answer is simple. I can't give an answer. I can't give you a proper number. I wish I could have given, because it's nothing impressive. But all I can say is I get paid every 2 months, once every 2 months. So if you have little online brain, if you know a little bit about ads and how you can make money on YouTube, I get paid once every 2 months. So you should be aware of how much money I make through YouTube. Can you make money through YouTube, and how much money can you make? You can make a lot of money on YouTube. I'll be really honest. When people say that you do not make money as much as you think, that's bullshit. If you get 50,000 views for every video, you'll make hell lot of money. I can say if your base salary for engineering is 25,000, YouTubers can easily make double of that if they get at least 50 to 70,000 views per video, to be really honest, and they upload regularly. So YouTube, you can make good money. But for me, YouTube, tomorrow if YouTube gets shut down, I'll still be happy in my life. I'll still be making money, and I'm pretty happy. And people ask me, why haven't you stopped YouTube? Because people who started YouTube in that time when I started in 2013, most of them are not that active, right? And the reason is, I'm always grateful for YouTube. If YouTube wasn't there, I wouldn't have been here. If you watch my older videos, you can see the confidence level that I have had and how much I have now, and everything in my life has improved. So I owe everything to YouTube, and the best way I can give back is by making videos like this, entertain you guys sometimes, and spread quality information. I believe that you can. The thing with online trainers is they're scared to spread quality information because they are worried that they will lose their client base. But I do not think like that. I think in a different way. What I think is, if I actually spread good information, that is how people will be impressed, that they'll know that I have some buddhi or some knowledge in my head, right? So that is why I always make videos that can, even you can make your personalized. I've given free diet plans as well, free workout plans as well. Not at all bothered that it'll affect my client, number of clients that I get, or number of amount of money that I might make, right? Now, one more tip that I want to give you guys is, if you are planning to make an online business or set up an online business, know who your audience is, guys. Let me tell you one thing. I mean, no offense to any YouTuber or no offense to anyone who has a lot of subscribers. Let me tell you one thing. The 69,000 subscribers that you have, what a number, 69,000. So 69,000 subscribers that I have, all of them are fucking smart. I'm pretty sure 69,000 people that follow me are very smart, and that is one of the reasons, that is the main target. One of the reasons why I've never clickbaited, I've never put videos like how to increase your height, how to lose side fat, how to lose belly fat in 1 week and all that, is because people are smart. Smart people are they're very intelligent. If you want to make business, you can't put videos like that. They know that you do not have you're not an honest person, because you are trying to deceive people, right? So they are very smart. You'll never get business. And one more thing is, my target audience is slightly older, slightly matured. So I'm boasting, I'm proud of it. That's why I'm boasting. So all I have to say is, also one more source of income for me is affiliate marketing through Amazon. Not a lot. You never see me talking a lot about buying from my link in description and all that. It's there in the description, but most of the times I do not ask that. So some people, they buy from my link, and I get paid. One more source of income is, I'm a sponsored athlete by a supplement brand. Every time I get brand deals, guys, not like I do not get, just that I do not do it because some of the practices they do is very unethical, and I have an image that I truly deserve as well, because I've always been real with you guys. Success, failure, everything, whatever I've done, I've always shared it with you. So I believe that I do not want to change it just for some extra money, because that's the problem, guys. When you make money, you become greedy. You want to make more money, and you're ready to lose your integrity or whatever, right? So I do not want to be that kind of person. It's always good to be yourself on YouTube as well, even though it's very hard for you guys to catch me, even if I'm fooling you guys, because I can easily be very confident behind the cameras. I can be like just fooled him, so I do not want to be that kind of that's not what my parents taught me, right? So anyways, that's pretty much it about me, guys. That's pretty much it about me. Nothing else to share. So next time when you ask me how much money you make, I'll share this video. So one tip, like I said, one tip I want to give you is, if you behave certain way in the beginning, do not change. Continue doing that. And my goal is to leave a legacy, not to get that quick success, because I would have easily been able to make use of 2016, when that was my peak physique. I could have used my physique, and made videos like how to increase your height, because I'm also a tall person. I could have made videos how to increase how can you reduce face fat. See, I'm very fat. I mean, considering Instagram standards, I'm very fat, but my face is not that fat. So I can make video how to reduce face fat, but I won't, because it's not possible. So that's all I can say. Do not fool anyone. If you are willing for long-term success, do not fool anyone. Look at me. I started in 2013. It's been 5 years. Nothing has changed. People who hated me that time still hate me. People who loved me, they love me. And every day I get people who love me, I get people who hate me. That's all. That's going to be the case regardless. So it's better to be honest and get hate than not to be honest and get hate. Lie to people and get hate. That's not a good kind of hate. So if people hate you for your honesty and they are not willing to accept the truth, it's absolutely fine. So this is my advice, coming from a mediocre YouTuber, but someone who has set up a business from literally nothing, an online business which is very competitive these days. I believe I'm doing pretty well for myself. So you guys, whoever are worried that oh my god, you are very less subscribers, bro, are you fine and all, do not worry, guys. I'm absolutely fine. When I was not fine, you guys could see that. Even when I was not fine last year, you could see my videos were not at all even watchable, right? So that's it, guys. What else can I say? And I hope you like this video. Okay, so let me know what you think about my beautiful rich life. Guys. My beautiful rich life. Let me know what you think about my beautiful rich life. See you all, guys. Peace out.